What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Order Hub session. I'm Martin.
And I'm Jesse.
And today we're going to talk about a retail pricing toggle.
So everybody knows this problem. You're shopping on our website, you're looking at products, we've got some loops, some anchors, some fab components here, and you see your cost. Really good for you, not so good for the consumer. So what we've done is we've made a solution to solve that challenge.
So that way we can show a consumer this web page without showing off the cost.
You're signed in, you're shopping, consumer's right there. Let's
Rock and roll. So how do you do it?
Let's hide that cost. Let's walk through that. So remember this, where we can see cost, MSRP, good stuff. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the My Account here, okay? And we're going to find what we call retail and jobber pricing toggle.
Pricing toggle.
We're going to create a magic little button that floats around the site.
Ooh, I like creating buttons.
Easy is press the button. It's an easy button, and it's going to hide that cost for you.
Very nice.
So we're going to take a couple steps here to get it set up. Once you set it up once, all it is the on-off switch after that. So this is a one-time setup, what we're going to show you right now.
But the setup's important.
Setup's very important. You got to get it right. So up here you can see we've got the activate retail pricing, some checkboxes. We don't want to get there yet because we don't have the price file loaded. So what we can do here is download the template file.
Okay.
Now that's going to grab your pricing and it's going to grab the products. So what we're allowing you to do here is provide your own price if you want. This step is optional. We'll still keep giving you MSRP, we got jobber, and then we got your cost. But if you want to do another price, let's say, for example, we want to take you in your store, you sell at
30% markup.
30% markup over jobber price. Let's go with that. So quick little Excel fun here. We'll create a function a formula that takes the jobber price and multiplies it by 1.3.
For my 30%.
Now you got 30%. 30% markup.
There's a retail price.
And now we're gonna shoot that thing down all the way across. So now every product will show a retail price of 30%.
What if I don't want to be just a 30%?
Let's say you got a hot ticket item.
I've got a really hot supply, or no, low supply, hot demand item. I want to put a little bit of extra margin in it.
Let's look at that fab component.
Oh, the one we were just looking at.
Yeah, 49950.
Okay.
So that bad boy, you've got a retail at $399.
And that's a pretty small amount. You know, people need this for their trailer. They probably don't mind if you go to, what, $5 on it?
Let's push the envelope a little bit. Let's go $5.
All right.
So now you've got your mixture. You can do percentage-based pricing plus kind of a hard-coded, yep, I want to charge $5 for that.
Yep.
So let's save it. We've got it the way that we want it. And now we'll close it out and now let's upload it. Right below that download link, let's give the file back to Order Hub. So you press upload, it takes a minute. It's gonna load every single one of those prices.
Well, that seems pretty easy. And there it is.
Pretty simple. Kind of, this is a one-time deal. So now we've got it. It's loaded.
There's
you
the
can
upload
see.
date.
Yep, we got the upload date confirming. We got the nice green bar. Good stuff.
Feels good.
So now we're ready to turn this thing on.
Let's do it.
Let's flip this guy. Activate retail pricing.
So we just toggled it on.
Toggle it on. Now, if you take notice up here, next to your name, now you're going to see a new toggle.
A new toggle.
This is the easy button.
So we toggled the toggle.
We toggle the toggle.
Oh, I like it. The
have
easy
access to
button.
the
I like
toggle.
that you call it the easy button.
It's the easy button. So now we've got a few more options now. Now this is super confusing, but once we show you here, it'll make perfect sense.
All right.
So right now, it's saying when you turn the toggle on,
which is right
to
now,
hide the pricing, which prices do you want to show? So we don't want to show our cost. We don't want to show jobber, but let's show retail and MSRP.
So you got to think of this as the things you want your customer to see
when you turn the toggle on.
When you turn the toggle on.
Exactly. So we're happy with that. Let's hit submit. And now at this point, this ends the one-time setup. You do this once. Now you don't ever have to come back to this again if you don't want.
We're set up.
We're good to go.
Ready to sell some parts.
Now when you log in, you're always going to see this retail pricing toggle. Now let's go back and check out our products.
All right.
So We were looking at our fab components, some loops, some anchors.
Yep.
Now, because the retail pricing toggle is off, it's going to look exactly like it did before.
Seeing the same thing.
So you see all the prices, it's all there. Now, let's turn that thing on. Let's turn this on. Now, the important thing to note here is this is also kind of a one-time thing. So you turn this on, and it's active for your whole shopping experience. So now that I've turned it on, let's go down here. Look at that.
Retail pricing, MSRP.
Retail pricing, MSRP. So you can see 30% markup over here, and then you can see that flat $5 that we added for our 49950.
Yep. Cool. So you mentioned that this is on throughout the entire website. So if you're with a customer and you want to like find the right product, you can dig through the different
dive,
pages,
poke, prod.
and they're not going to see something that they shouldn't.
Absolutely. That's it. Yeah.
That's pretty great.
It's good stuff, you know, and you can go back up here, flip it back off once you're ready to kind of turn the monitor back around, and that'll show you again your cost.
This is the cost. This is for behind the scenes.
For behind the scenes. You flip it back off, it's as easy as that. Now your shopping experience is back to show me my cost, show me the other prices.
Perfect.
So, quick one today.
Yeah,
quick one
that was
today,
easy.
Martin. Quick, easy. It's probably the best one we've done yet.
Yeah, I think so. I
think
like
it
the
might
easy
be.
button. It's great.
Easy
All
button's
right,
good.
thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next Order Hub session.
Thanks.